Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today we are preparing the tomahawk ribeye steak, reverse sear style. Super easy, super good. Let's get started and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so check it out. This is a tomahawk ribeye. It is USDA choice cut. You can see all the wonderful marbling in this guy. And all we're gonna do, it's super simple. We're gonna drizzle with some smoked olive oil, coat well. If you didn't smoke your olive oil, you can just use regular or extra virgin. You want to get both sides, all around the edge. And then of course we know, kosher salt, generously, sprinkle from the heavens. Get a lot of salt on there, followed by fresh cracked pepper. I like to use a lot of cracked pepper. Flip it over, do the same thing. All right guys, the grill is at 250. We're ready to throw it on. All right, set that right on the grill. Okay, it is ready to be seared. We're going to take it off and hit the flat top. Now what we're doing is that reverse sear method. So you cook it on low, smoke it on low, and then when it gets to that internal temperature just before rare, you're gonna sear it on the flat top, or if you have a cast iron pan on your stove, that works just as well. You're gonna season the grill, a little more smoked olive oil, get a little dab of Kerrygold butter on there. Oh yeah. All right, let's sear this bad boy up. I have my grill on medium high. This doesn't take very long on each side, maybe 2 minutes at best. We're at a couple minutes. I think we're going to give it a flip. Let's check that temperature. Dead center is sitting about 130 right now. Rare is 135. So we're gonna pull that off in a couple minutes. While it's sitting there, final touch, I made some Chive Kerrygold compound butter. We're gonna let that melt into the steak. All right, we gotta hurry. We don't want this to overcook. Gonna set it on the cutting board. Let it rest for a good 10 to 15 minutes. It's gonna carry over, cook a little bit. All right, it's been resting for a good 15 minutes. We're just gonna go around the bone here. Just gonna thinly slice it. You wanna do this because you're probably gonna be sharing. So everybody's gonna get their own little piece. All right, we've got it all cut up. We're serving it with some little baby roasted potatoes. And then I'm gonna garnish with my homemade chimichurri sauce. And we'll share the link for this video that we did a while back. I'm ready to take a bite. I really hope you enjoyed this quick demo on how to reverse sear a tomahawk ribeye steak. If you're liking these videos, like, share, subscribe, and as always guys, thanks for tuning in. Melts in your mouth. And that chimichurri sauce gives it a little kick, a little extra flavor, the smokiness, smoked olive oil, everything comes together perfectly.